How to edit sent messages on Instagram. With the latest update, Instagram has introduced a long-awaited feature for editing already sent messages. Until now, you could delete a sent message and send the edited message again. Now, when you send a message to someone on Instagram, you have up to 15 minutes to edit it. As you can see on the screen, Instagram informs us about this new functionality of the application. How to do it. Write and send some message. Simply, long tap on the message you want to edit. Click on Edit. Modify the message as you wish. After editing, simply send it again. As you can see, the old message is gone and the new edited one is sent. That's all for this video. Subscribe to the channel and be the first to be informed about new updates for many applications.